Stop scrolling this video. The Indian stock market is rising day by day. Everybody's talking about the stock markets. Your friends, family members, co-workers, if you put on the television, there's talk about stocks all the time. And I'm sure you've also tried learning about stock market through YouTube videos, maybe through internet blogs, but the subject still remains confusing to you. If you have been one of those people who wants to get into stock markets but doesn't know how to, I've got the perfect workshop for you. Hi, my name is Yatin. I'm a trainer, broker and an investor, and I've been in the Indian market since 2009. I've kept a special workshop for non-finance individuals to understand how the stock market exactly works and how you can make money into it. In this, you'll be answering all your basic questions related to stock markets. At the same time, I'll tell you exactly how you can reduce the risk in the stock market. At the end of the program, I will also offer you my advanced training programs and advisory service. So, if you're interested in learning how exactly the market works and how you can make money into it, make sure you click on the link below and sign up right away. The workshop is for 3 hours, it's absolutely free, but the seats are limited. So make sure you don't miss this opportunity. Click on the link below, sign up, and I'll see you on the workshop.